Ever wonder about that little candy with them on it? It's instantly recognizable. A tiny, colorful button that's become a staple in candy bowls, movie theaters, and lunchboxes around the world. But have you ever stopped to think about what makes it so special? Or how it became such a global icon? The one that cracks open to reveal smooth chocolate inside? That satisfying snap as you bite through the shell, followed by the creamy, melt-in-your-mouth chocolate, is no accident. It's the result of decades of innovation and a deep understanding of both taste and texture. It's more than a sweet treat, it's a marvel of food science and engineering. Every piece is a tiny triumph, a blend of art and technology that's been perfected over generations. The famous slogan, "Melts in your mouth, not in your hand," is a promise built into its very design. That thin, colorful shell isn't just for looks, it's a protective barrier, engineered to keep the chocolate from melting on your fingers, even on a warm day. Forrest Mars Sr. got the idea in the 1930s, inspired by soldiers eating chocolate with a hard sugar shell to keep it from melting. During the Spanish Civil War, he noticed that soldiers needed a way to enjoy chocolate without it turning into a sticky mess in their hands or pockets. This simple observation sparked a revolution in candy making. That simple shell launched one of the world's most successful candies. What started as a practical solution for soldiers quickly became a beloved treat for people of all ages everywhere. But making an M&Ms isn't just dipping chocolate in sugar, it's a multi-step industrial ballet. Each stage is carefully choreographed, with machines and people working in perfect harmony to create billions of candies every year. Imagine a factory the size of football fields filled with machines, conveyor belts, and tumbling vats. The air is thick with the scent of chocolate, and everywhere you look, there's a rainbow of candies in motion. Each M&Ms goes through a precise sequence. Media, close-up of chocolate mixing machines, robotic arms forming and stamping candies on production line, mixing chocolate, forming the shell, stamping them, and more. The process is a symphony of technology, with each step building on the last to create the perfect candy. And adding the final shine is no small feat. The candies are tumbled and polished until they gleam, giving them that irresistible, glossy finish that makes them so appealing. Every step is monitored for perfection, ensuring each candy is a perfect replica of the last. Quality control is relentless, only the best make it into the bag. We're about to pull back the curtain on this mega factory and follow the chocolate from liquid to packaged form. From raw ingredients to the finished product, every moment is a testament to precision and passion. Get ready to see the science, technology, and logistics behind these colorful gems. It's a world where chemistry meets creativity, and where even the smallest detail matters. By the end, you'll never look at a bowl of M&Ms the same way again. You'll see not just a candy, but a tiny piece of edible engineering, crafted with care and ingenuity. Let's begin our journey into edible engineering. Step inside and discover the secrets behind the candy that truly melts in your mouth, not in your hand. Every M&Ms starts as a river of warm, secret recipe chocolate. Mars uses a proprietary blend crafted from high-quality cocoa beans, milk, and sugar. The chocolate is kept liquid in massive temperature-controlled vats. Think swimming pools of chocolate. It's pumped through pipes to machines that deposit precise drops onto chilled belts or into molds. Uniformity is key. Each drop must be identical for that classic M&Ms bite. These chocolate lentils are rapidly cooled to lock in shape and texture. Millions of perfect naked chocolate centers are produced every day. This consistent core is the foundation of the M&Ms experience. Without it, the candy wouldn't have its signature melt or flavor. These little discs are the blank canvas, ready for their colorful transformation. Next up, the iconic candy shell. Now comes the color, a crucial step that transforms plain chocolate into the vibrant candies we all recognize. The chocolate lentils tumble in giant stainless steel drums called panners. These drums spin continuously, ensuring every piece is evenly coated. As the candies spin, a fine mist of liquid sugar syrup is sprayed over them. This syrup gradually dries, forming a thin, hard shell around each chocolate core. This layering process isn't just done once, it's repeated dozens of times. Each new layer adds to the signature crunch that makes these candies so satisfying to bite into. The result is a shell that's strong enough to protect the chocolate from melting in your hand, but still thin enough to crack easily with a single bite, releasing the chocolate inside. Once the white sugar coats are set and perfectly smooth, it's time for the next transformation, adding color. The candies are divided into separate batches, each placed in its own panner. Here, food-grade dyes are carefully added, coating each batch in a different, vibrant hue. Throughout this process, the environment is tightly controlled. Temperature and humidity must be kept within a narrow range to ensure the shells form perfectly. If it's too humid, the shells become sticky and won't set properly. If it's too dry, the shells can crack, ruining the batch. That's why skilled engineers and technicians constantly monitor the process, making adjustments to guarantee flawless results every time. The end result is a vibrant sea of single-colored candies, each one boasting a perfectly smooth, flawless shell that's ready for the next step. It's this combination of science, precision, and a little bit of magic that makes M&M's so iconic and instantly recognizable around the world. But the journey isn't over yet. Soon, these candies will receive their signature shine, a glossy finish that makes them irresistible. But first, let's take a closer look at how these colorful candies go from a matte finish to that unmistakable glossy sheen. The candies now need their iconic glossy finish. They're transferred to polishing pans where a tiny amount of carnauba wax is added. This edible wax from Brazilian palm leaves is the same used on apples and gummies. Gentle tumbling spreads the wax evenly, buffing each candy to a high gloss. Too much wax makes them greasy, too little, and they're dull. The process is timed perfectly for a smooth, shiny surface. The gloss isn't just for looks, it adds protection against moisture. Now the M&Ms have their hard shell, vibrant color and brilliant shine. But they're missing one thing, the famous-um. Next, we'll see how each candy gets its mark of authenticity. The transformation is almost complete. What makes an M&Ms unmistakable? That tinium stamped on every piece. After polishing, candies are aligned on a conveyor with perfect precision. A roller, coated in edible white ink, gently prints them as each candy passes by. The process is lightning fast, stamping thousands per minute with remarkable accuracy. The M is more than a logo, it's a guarantee of quality and authenticity. This step transformed M&Ms into a global icon, instantly recognizable anywhere. The technology has evolved, but the principle remains. Every candy gets its mark. Now, the candies are officially M&Ms, ready for the final stages. From here, they'll be checked, packed, and shipped to fans worldwide. The journey from chocolate drop to branded candy is nearly done. Let's see how quality is guaranteed. With billions of M&Ms made each year, quality control is crucial. High-speed cameras and image processing software scan every candy for flaws, cracks, color issues, or a missing 'em. Imperfect candies are instantly removed by a targeted puff of air. This automated system ensures only the best make it into the bag. Advanced sensors and computers monitor every step, minimizing human error. The result, a bag of M&Ms in Tokyo is identical to one in New York. Consistency and quality are the backbone of the brand. Automation keeps the process fast, efficient, and reliable. Now it's time for packaging. After quality checks, the perfect candies are ready to be mixed and packed. Single-color batches are blended in giant hoppers for the classic M&Ms mix. Automated machines weigh precise portions for each bag, ensuring consistency. Packaging film is formed into pouches, filled, sealed, and cut at high speed. Each bag is checked for weight and safety, then packed into boxes by robotic arms. The process is fast and efficient, protecting freshness and quality. Bags are stacked onto pallets, ready for distribution. This packaging ballet ensures M&Ms arrive fresh and intact worldwide. The journey from factory to store is almost complete. Next, let's follow the global adventure. How do M&Ms reach every corner of the world? Once packed, M&Ms embark on a global journey. Factories in the US and around the world feed a vast distribution network. Pallets are loaded onto trucks, trains, and ships, routed by sophisticated logistics software. For domestic delivery, trucks move candies to regional centers, then to stores. Internationally, climate-controlled containers protect candies on long ocean voyages. After customs, they're distributed to retailers worldwide. Billions of M&Ms travel this network daily, connecting continents and cultures. The scale is staggering, an invisible system working around the clock. Next time you buy a bag, remember the journey it took, all for a moment of chocolatey happiness. From a secret chocolate blend to a global icon, the M&M's journey is a story of innovation, creativity, and a little bit of magic. What started as a simple idea has become a worldwide phenomenon, loved by millions across generations and continents. Its appeal is simple yet irresistible: the satisfying crack of the candy shell, the smooth, creamy chocolate inside, and the burst of vibrant color that makes every handful a feast for the eyes as well as the taste buds. But it's also about culture. M&Ms are everywhere, from movie theaters to birthday parties, from holiday celebrations to late-night study sessions. They're a treat that brings people together no matter the occasion. Clever marketing and lovable mascots have made them more than just candy. They're pop culture icons. The playful characters and catchy slogans have become part of our collective memory, making M&Ms instantly recognizable around the world. M&Ms unite people of all ages and backgrounds in a shared moment of joy. Whether you're young or old, with friends or family, there's something about sharing a bowl of M&Ms that sparks laughter and connection. The global reach of M&Ms is possible thanks to the incredible manufacturing and logistics we've explored. From high-tech factories to worldwide shipping networks, every step is designed to deliver that perfect candy to your hand, wherever you are. Next time you open a bag, take a moment to notice the perfect round shape, the glossy shine, and the crisp whiteum stamped on each piece. It's a tiny detail, but it's part of what makes M&Ms so special. Think of the chocolate rivers, the tumbling pans that coat each candy, and the robotic arms that sort and pack them with precision. Behind every M&Ms is a blend of tradition, technology, and a passion for perfection. Appreciate the journey from factory to your hand, a journey that spans continents and cultures, all for that one sweet moment. Then, enjoy that perfect, simple pleasure. What's your favorite color? Do you go for the classic brown, the bold red, or maybe the cool blue? Do you eat them one at a time, savoring each bite, or by the handful, chasing that rainbow of flavors? There's no wrong way to enjoy M&Ms. However you enjoy them, remember, every M&Ms is a tiny marvel of science, creativity, and fun, crafted to bring a smile to your face. Thanks for joining us on this sweet adventure. Until next time, keep sharing the joy, one colorful candy at a time.